Today, I am going to talk about you. Hello, this is me, Dyson. When I think about my elementary school years at Escuela Rural Mr. Capitanes in the municipality of Balboa, Cauca, I fondly remember every moment I lived. I always liked being very punctual when entering class because I believed it was important to me most of the learning time. During recess, I enjoyed playing soccer with my classmates. We had a lot of fun running after the ball and celebrating every goal. I was a very beautiful time, full laughter and good memories, which I still remember as if it were yesterday. Thank you for your time.